First on my list, I have Leader Lamberth.
Just a short statement. I know it may be uncomfortable for some to live in a free country, but the First Amendment, the Second Amendment, the Fourth Amendment that I know folks on both sides of the aisle support. We've spent a couple hundred years trying to navigate through that, but this legislature, at least in the time that I've been here, I'm proud to say, has continued to expand civil liberties and freedoms at every opportunity, and we have to continue to do that. So I fully support the bill. I appreciate the sponsors' hard work to try to continue to mold and amend this bill. But if you have a Second Amendment right to bear arms, and it's only just certain types of arms, I mean, that is an infringement on someone's rights. And I get it. There are some infringements that are possible, machine guns and tanks and things that are far beyond the pale. Even some of those infringements. We've had debates here about silencers. I don't think that's a reasonable infringement on someone's right. If you want a silencer, I think that's something you should be able to have. We can have those debates, but at least in my humble opinion, for the folks that have elected me to come here from Sumner County, I trust the people of this country to exercise their constitutional rights and their freedoms, just as the founders did. And they fought desperately with every ounce of blood in their veins to make sure that at that time, the King of England could not tell them what type of arms they could have, could not tell them what they could say, could not tell them that they had to have troops in their homes, and a laundry list of other things that this country and many patriots that I have met and that are here today have been willing to bleed and die to preserve those freedoms and expand them. We're still a work in progress here in this country, and especially here in this state, but every step we can take forward that expands freedom is a good step. And so I just wanted to throw that out there. I know we can get caught in the minutia sometimes of exactly what all the commas in the Second Amendment may entail, but I can guarantee at this time in history, it is an individual right to bear arms. And here in Tennessee, we're going to respect that and continue to expand civil liberties, or at least I hope so, depending on how this bill goes. Thank you, Mr. Chairman.
Very well.